Lone Wolf Customs, once again, coming back at you. 72 Hemi swapped pickup truck. Yada, yada, yada. It was over there. It's over here now. Phone messed up, couldn't show you the first drive, unfortunately. Hopefully it works for this. Seemed to do fine for what little it did. Literally, I pulled it out on the road, drove it up the road, came back, and pretty well parked it here. Everything seems to be functioning. Fuel tank, like I'm trying to remember what I showed last. Since things messed up, it makes it difficult to do video. I changed the seats, put tan, leather, Durango seats in, put a fuel cell in it. Unfortunately, it's as far back as that seat will go with the tank. Now it's all pressure, fancy lines, and yes, this is not the safest because I have to fill it right here, but it's temporary until I either A, get a factory tank, or B, do something different. I didn't want to reroute all the lines and buy a bunch more lines and fittings and everything just to put the tank in the trunk, in the truck bed for a temporary, for a month, just to freaking do this when technically I'm not even going to be here. Actually, at the recording of this video, I'm not even in Tennessee. I'm in Pennsylvania at Carlisle. So, if you're up in Carlisle, maybe you'll see me. Everything functioned, went down the road, brakes worked, steered, done all that fancy shit. Still have no exhaust, it's just a little piece of pipe kicking down. Tomorrow, I'm hoping to get video of driving to town in this to show you that. It's tagged, insured, and everything. Hopefully tomorrow I can show you driving into town and getting exhaust put on it. Oh. Well, gotta get the right key out. Key. But she functions. Now tomorrow I'm gonna try to talk to you while I'm driving. I'll have Brandy operate the phone hopefully, but you can hear the pump a little bit. This tire's leaking down, I have to fix that. Yeah. I guess I'll show you more when I have more.
The Dodge brothers quit the Ford Motor Company and set out on their own. They believed in more than the assembly line. They believed driving was a holy endeavor. 100 years later, the Dodge brothers' spirit lives on.
Okay. Well, here we are. Going to get the mufflers.
Going to go get the mufflers done. It's loud as hell in here.
Guess we'll show you more when we get there.
Oh, that what? Yeah, what? Shit. Oh, there you go. Contact!
That thing got a hemi?
Yeah.
Sweet. Hi. We're driving. Cruising at 55. Truck sounds good, running good, pulling about 1,500 RPMs. No big deal. Truck's done pretty good today. Fixing to be home here in a little bit, and then I'll talk to you more. Well, folks, she did good. Drove around, and all the fancy Hemi things. You know, need to clean out the bed, but it done all the shit it's supposed to do. Ran good and done all the things it should do. This thing's actually a little quicker than I was expecting. Well, it's about where I was expecting it to be. You know, in theory, a Hemi Challenger be in the 13s, somewhere's in there. Scat Pack, somebody in the 12s, you know, mid to highs, whatever. This thing being a little lighter, eventually with a better gear and whatnot. Of course, the gear it's in it ain't bad at all. It doesn't take much time. It doesn't take long to get up there. If this thing ever gets in, if it can get into the 12s, I'm gonna be pretty happy. But stay tuned. I don't know what the next video will be going on, but like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for following along with this build. Share, post, you know, comment, all that shit. Alright, see you. Bye.